guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name's Nicola and welcome. And today's video is another unboxing, and we are unboxing February's Birchbox. This is what it looks like. It says Let Love Grow and it's got nice flowers on it, and as usual it's the drawer. This is what it looks like. This is what's inside. This is the pamphlet. Hello Birchboxers, how do you take love and make it lovelier? You let it grow. This February we've partnered with Notting High Street, the home of thoughtful gifts, to celebrate love in all its forms. It's time to show your family, friends and significant other just how much you care and let love grow. So here's a whole box of beauty treats to get you started feeling the love. The first item is this. And this is anatomicals. Every so often we all need a little pick-me-up, right? Next time you do, ease into your morning with this invigorating body wash. Its subtle floral fragrance will wake up your senses, leaving you ready to face the day. Simply massage over damp skin, working into lather, then rinse to leave skin clean and fresh. And this retails for £4. And I'll just have a little sniff. That's really nice, I have to say. Really nice. It's not too overpowering. It's just a nice subtle smell. It's nice. The next item is this, and this is a Luxie brush. This is the third time of me getting a Luxie brush. I've just did an unboxing before this video for Birchbox, and I got Luxie brushes from those as well. I don't know which will get put up first, but yeah. This is the 205 tapered blending brush. This fluffy blending brush is the ideal companion to powder and cream eyeshadows alike. Use it across the lid, in the crease or at the corners to perfect your eye look. Its soft synthetic bristles give a flawless finish with minimal effort. A must have in any makeup kit, and this retails for £11. Oh. That's what it looks like. It feels nice and soft. So yeah, I'm really chuffed about this. I've really been needing to get some brushes, I have to say, and I'm really happy that I seem to be getting a lot of brushes, so I'm a very happy person. The next item is this, and this is Nabla Cosmetics Diva Crime Lipstick. This lightweight lipstick delivers a full coverage matte finish that lasts. Free from silicone and paraben nasties, it's enriched with Japanese oil to instantly condition and nourish lips. Slick across your lips, straight from the bullet, its rich formula glides on with ease. And they say that this retails for £11.90. That's what it looks like. And that's the colour. And that's a really nice colour. It's like a deep cherry colour. I will use this. The next item is this. And this is Look Liquid Shimmer Shadow. This liquid shimmer eyeshadow provides a subtle hint of colour and shine that can be layered for a bolder look. The water-based formula feels lightweight and comfortable on your lids, while providing long-lasting wear. Just swipe it onto your eyelids and blend in. It sets after 30 seconds, so there's no risk of creasing. And for a full size, this retails for £18. And I'll just put a bit on my hand. So yeah, that looks like a really nice colour. I have got a few liquid eyeshadows. I don't tend to use them though. This is the only thing. But I am going to try and use them. I really am. I was thinking about doing Shop My Stash that everybody seems to be doing, where they get certain products and they've got to use it for that month. I've got quite a lot of makeup that I don't tend to reach for, and I think that would be perfect for me, so yeah, I'm really thinking about doing that. And the last item for this box is this. And this is Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. This hair mask repairs damage, improves texture and shine, deeply hydrates, fights frizz and seals split ends. Its decadent formula also detangles the most knotted strands for instant smoothness. After shampooing, apply the mask evenly to wet hair, leave for 5 to 10 minutes while it sinks in, then rinse out. Hello luscious looks. And the full size for this retails for £9. And I'll have a little sniff of it. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I really like that. That's a beautiful smell. I can't smell the coconut, but I can smell the fig, and it's really nice. I can't wait to try this. Also in the box I've got these nice postcards. Oh. And they've also included this because they've partnered up with Not on the High Street. So I have got a 15% off for myself, and I can give 15% off for somebody else. There's a code there. I will leave it down below if anybody's interested in taking it. I know I will be having a look at Not on the High Street because I've never been on that before. Maybe I might pick up something nice. So yeah, I'll leave that. You are entitled to use it. I'm not sure if only one person will be able to use it or if a lot of people. So that's February's Birchbox. Birchbox is a monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a month and £3.25 shipping. I said in my last Birchbox it was £2.95. I apologise, I got the price wrong. I get that many subscription boxes, I forget which is which. So yeah, it's all in all it's £13.25 a month. 5 products ranging from full size to deluxe size minis, and yeah, it's definitely worth the money. I think it gives you the opportunity to try brands that you've never tried before. It introduces you to brands that you've never heard before as well. So yeah, I really enjoy getting my subscription boxes. It's really good, and I like the element of surprise. I never go on and see anybody unbox theirs because I like to see what it is for myself. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. And I'll see you soon, guys. Bye!